What's up, guys? I'm Paul from the FixBroz, and today I'm going to show you how to make your door handles super shiny. Stay tuned till the end of the video because you guys will be shocked by the results. So as you can see, they're really hazy and not shiny at all. So these are all the products you'll need to make your door handles shiny. Basically what we have to do is buff these handlebars. So before we start, we want to clean it and prepare it for buffing. So what I'm using here is 3M rubbing compound. It says that it removes heavy oxidation, light to medium scratches, and water spots. So I'm using a DeWalt buffer with the wool pad. First step is to put some rubbing compound on it and smudge it. Now take your buffer and start buffing. And now just take a microfiber towel and wipe it off. Now I'm noticing all that rubbing compound in those holes. Just take a brush and brush out all the rubbing compound before it dries. So now that you've taken off all the oxidation, you need to put protection on it. So I'm just gonna wax it just a little bit to give it some protection from the sunlight. Take your microfiber towel again and just wipe it through. Get all the wax off of it. Okay guys, here's what the finished product looks like. And all you need to use is some rubbing compound, a buffer, and wax. So this is the before and this is the after. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe right now, and we will see you next time.